Hey guys, it's Jordan from Urban Farming. Sorry if the audio doesn't sound the best. I'm just letting the phone audio do this. Nice good rainstorm today. Look at this all getting soaked. I just got soaked walking the dog. Yes, I have an umbrella. Ooh, the zucchini's... the zucchini still looks fine. Leaves are still growing. Some powdery mildew still bugging it. Look at this gorgeous rain. Oh man, those beans are getting really tall. Look at all this nice rain. Very well needed. Cucumbers are still thriving. I gotta pick more cucumbers. Oh, look at that nice giant one up there. Yep, this is quite the storm. Well, not too bad of a storm, but peppers are getting good watering in the bag. Oh, it stops. They may have to come back out and pick some more blackberries. I'll probably work better tomorrow. Oh well, a few raspberries. Well, they're not going to get a ton of water, unfortunately. I should get enough. Look at this beautiful rainstorm. And yes, I'm soaked. I was just walking the dog. Need to put this hose back away. But look at it all. Look at this beautiful rainstorm. Hey, if you want to see more videos of gardening and possibly me picking some of these purple cherry tomatoes, hit that like and subscribe button. Now that the rain's dying off, I might actually come out here and do some more videos. Oh, and if you made it this far, can you please hit the like button? Thank you.